this is Upam Sharma, Senior Software Faculty, CEC Head Office. Nowadays, video editing, some basic tools and techniques, it is very important to know, because everyone is moving from on any traditional system to the online, whether it is a digital marketing or learning, everything is going in on online. So it is very important to learn some basic video lessons, video tutorial, mm, video editing lessons. So today I am going to tell you about some basic tools and techniques. The tools are basically, example, Movavi, Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects, all these things are. But Movavi is quite easy comparatively. So I am going to show you about some Movavi editing techniques.
So this is the Movavi video editing plus software. This is the import options, where we can import some other videos, or we can import some existing audio clips, music, sample video, backgrounds. Here are all the backgrounds are available, and introductory video. Some introductory videos are available. If you are not able to see this, you need to download. Then next is filter. On any video or picture, you can put some filters, effects like this. Previews are available here. This is another one. This is another. This is a sharpness of the picture. Then also you can insert noise, and lots of templates or pre-installed some filters are available. Then this is a transition. Transition means from one if you move from one picture to another picture, the appearance animations will be displayed. Then next is text editor. Then this is stickers are available here, like this smileys and these classes animations are stickers are available. Then some other tools are call out, animation, pan and zoom, stabilization, highlight and console. Then chroma key are available. So today I will show you some basic of the video editing. Go to the my files. Here you will get this window. Then click here on add media. In one folder I have kept some videos and pictures. Okay, I am importing one, selecting one video. I am clicking on open button. Okay, this is the video. If you press here press here or press the space bar, then you will able to play the video. Okay, if I want to insert a picture above here, then click on the add media file option. Then click on any pictures. The picture is showing here. If you drag it and bring to the bring above the video, then picture will be shown here. If you want to minimize the size of the resolution of the picture, then double click on the picture. Then like in MS Word or MS Word or PPT, we do the resize of the pixels, like that you can do here. Then click on the apply button. Okay, if I from the beginning I play the video, then you will be able to see the picture above here. Like in this way you can put any logo on any video. If you want the picture on the entire video, then you need to just enlarge this, clicking here like this. Like this, you can see in the entire video duration the picture will be there. It is you can also put more pictures like this one. when you reach here, then automatically this picture appears. In the particular region only the second picture will be available for 4 seconds. Okay, I will tell you filters in next class. I will show you how to put text. Where I need the text, I will move the slider to that position and right click over here, and I will click on the add to the current position, and see you get some syntax over here. You just need to double click on it and select all the text, and then write down whatever you want to need. If you want to enlarge the size of the text, then you can drag the corners, then you will be able to enlarge the size. Or if you want to change the text color, click on the text option. If you want to change the color, here the color properties, text color is black, I am making it black. Here the text will be appear in black. And if you want to change the font style, you can change here. Like this. So now if I want more, if I want other formatted text, I can insert here. Like this, you can put all you can put another text here. Then see, if you want to make editing of the large videos, then you can scale up and down through here. The entire project length will be shown here, project length 30 and all that. If you want to delete some video or picture, then select on the picture, then just delete. If you want to slice down, if you want to slice, select on the clip. Here is the slice option is here, you can slice here. If you want to rotate the picture, you can rotate, just click here, rotate option. See, it is a rotated picture. If you want to crop the picture, here is a crop option. You just need to adjust the size, then click on apply. Then if you want to change the brightness and contrast, auto white balance is done. And if you want to do the manual adjustment, here is the option, manual adjustment. Okay, all these things are for today. So I will show you how to export the video. If you want to save this, then how you will save the video. Just click on the export button. Then where you want to save, you just need to select. I am saving in the video editing. I have selected the folder, give the file name, say test1. Okay, you can choose the quality of the video. If you choose the highest quality you will get. Click, press on the start button. It will take time, it depends on the length of the video. 16 seconds is remaining, so wait and watch. So after completion of the export, the videos will be available at the targeted folder. This is my folder and this is the test on video. If I want to play this video, then you can see this. Okay, all this for today. So let's close the video.